Is going to rejoin us now. And Lisa, I feel like your plate is full today. There's a lot going on.
So much going on here, Matt. We have avalanche warnings we have to be on the lookout for, the threat, at least landslide threats, and most importantly, flooding. So we've had this atmospheric river just pummeling parts of western Washington since yesterday, and it will continue. And in fact, we've seen over 3 inches of accumulation. I do want to zoom in, getting some of that moderate, even heavy rain picking up across parts of Lewis County, like Mossy Rock, all the way over into Morton as well, right along I-5. So again, use caution out there as we commute home, because we're still dealing with ponding at the very least, standing water, and we're seeing a lot of that rain now increasing across parts of the Cascades. Yesterday, even this morning, we had that wet, thick snow. Now all that is transitioning into rain, so all of that runoff now impacting a lot of us too when it comes to our area rivers. But in the meantime, we still have this avalanche warning in place at least until 6 o'clock this evening because of the warmer weather. So we are definitely watching for the risk of avalanches here, and also those strong wind speeds that have kicked up, gusts exceeding 30 miles an hour. And that snow level has elevated. From yesterday, at times it was right around 3,000 feet, now nearing 7,000 feet. So we're expecting an additional 1 to 3 inches across the area, making for a at the very least, sloppy commute, and then of course very threatening. Now, the skiing forecast, by the way, you're going to want to avoid the area, especially even tomorrow. Highs continuing on the warm side, lower 40s. We get some cooler air, especially once we get a cold front that pushes through on Wednesday. But rain chances are still in the mix, especially when it comes to the afternoon hours. Take a look at that snow level, not dropping to around 3,000 feet, which includes the passes, until Thursday, once that cool air kind of settles in. Now, the rest of us, when it comes to the lowlands, highs are going to remain very sticky and mild, mid-50s, back in the mix tomorrow. Overnight lows are going to continue in the upper 40s tonight, mid-40s Wednesday morning, showers kind of on and off. Now, it will be considerably lighter tomorrow, Wednesday, even Thursday, but still present. Now, flood warnings still in effect right now. I'm going to get out of your way so you can just kind of observe this. For the Skokomish River, we've got Puyallup, Tolt, Snoqualmie, all the way down to Cowlitz, Grays River. So we're expecting minor to major flooding. This is going to take place not only this evening, but also peaking and cresting tomorrow. So currently, everything that you see in the yellow, I've seen a significant change here in the last hour. We're getting near that flood stage. Everything in orange, which includes Grays River, minor flooding, and you see that bright red Skokomish River there. We are seeing some moderate flooding, and we're expecting some major flooding there as we roll over into the evening hours and tomorrow. So widespread rain, fast forwarding 8 o'clock for that dinner hour, still seeing lots of the potential of hydroplaning. We've got that standing water in place. Even tomorrow morning, breaking up significantly, but still present when it comes to those scattered showers. And then we finally get some breaks. However, we're still going to be seeing these spotty and scattered showers not only Tuesday afternoon and evening, but rolling over into Wednesday and Thursday. Just to give you a heads up, this is what we've seen so far in the last 24 hours, nearing 3.5 inches of rain at SeaTac. Puyallup, you've seen a little over 2 inches of rain, over 3 inches in Olympia. Quileute, you've seen nearing 3 inches. Again, just the last 24 hours. And we're still expecting an additional, at the very least, 1/4 of an inch possible to kind of finish off the month of February and to kickstart March. It looks like we could see more of that rain adding up, about 1/2 inch to slightly over an inch here for the next couple of days. So we have a a weather alert day in place because of the widespread rain we're seeing right now because of this atmospheric river. We've got the avalanche warnings in place, watching for that landslide threat as well. That is extremely elevated. And then we're going to see this breaking up when it comes to the rain. However, still watching for that threat when it comes to all that accumulation. And then the temperatures drop and we get more sunshine by the weekend. And that is a look what we can expect.